Today, we're diving into Apple's latest desktop offerings, the M4 Mac Mini and its more expensive sibling, the M4 Pro Mac Mini. With significant price differences between them, the big question is, does the M4 Pro version justify its higher cost, or is the baseline model the smarter choice? Let's break it down. First up, the M4 Mac Mini. Priced at $599, is one of the most affordable ways to experience Apple's powerful M4 chip. This baseline version packs a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, delivering excellent performance for everyday tasks and even some professional work. With 256 gigabytes of storage and 24 gigabytes of RAM, this compact device offers a surprising amount of power right out of the box. Plus, the RAM is expandable, giving users some flexibility for future upgrades. The best part? Its value. At this price, you're getting an incredibly powerful and well-designed machine that's perfect for both casual and demanding users. It's no wonder the M4 Mac Mini is receiving so much praise. It's compact, affordable, and highly capable. Now let's take a look at the M4 Pro Mac Mini. This model starts at $1,399, more than double the price of the baseline version. But at higher cost, you get a bin version of the M4 Pro chip, along with 512 gigabytes of storage and 24 gigabytes of RAM. While the storage is double and the RAM remains the same, the performance does see a boost. Benchmark tests show a significant improvement over the M3 Pro, making this model a powerful contender. However, the upgrades in storage and RAM feel relatively minor for the steep price increase. Here's the main issue. Is it worth paying over twice as much for this version? When compared to the baseline M4 Mac Mini, the M4 Pro's value proposition doesn't seem as strong. For the same cost, you could buy two baseline M4 Mac Minis and enjoy more collective power and versatility. This makes the M4 Pro Mac Mini's value questionable, especially within Apple's own product lineup. Let's now compare the M4 Pro Mac Mini with Apple's MacBook Pro lineup. The M4 MacBook Pro, priced at $1,599, offers 512 gigabytes of storage and 16 gigabytes of RAM. Meanwhile, the M4 Pro MacBook Pro costs $1,999 and includes 512 gigabytes of storage with 24 gigabytes of RAM. The $400 price gap between these MacBook Pro models feels justified given the noticeable performance and RAM increase. However, the situation with the Mac Mini is different. The $800 difference between the baseline and the M4 Pro Mac Mini is much harder to justify. While the M4 Pro Mac Mini offers more storage and improved performance, it doesn't provide the same leap in value or features as the MacBook Pro models. This discrepancy raises the question, why does the pricing structure for the Mac Mini feel less balanced compared to the MacBook Pro? This brings us to the core issue, value for money. The M4 Pro Mac Mini is undeniably powerful, but its pricing doesn't align well with the upgrades it offers. Paying over double the price of the baseline model gets you only a moderate increase in storage and RAM. For the same $1,399, you could buy two baseline M4 Mac Minis, effectively getting more combined power and flexibility. Apple needs to reconsider this pricing structure. Lowering the price of the M4 Pro Mac Mini to around $1,099 would make it a far more attractive option. This adjustment would better reflect the incremental upgrades and align more closely with the value provided by their MacBook Pro counterparts. Not only would this price reduction improve customer satisfaction, but it could also drive more sales.